Moving money was the main intention, okay? The sole purpose of cryptocurrency's creation, all right? Moving value, okay? Making cheaper payments, faster payments, more securitized payments, okay? Creating a lot more security and trust within the system. A lot of transparency, okay? But please take into consideration, on top of payments, once they figured out that, hey, we can move money, can we move the assets? We actually tokenize the products and the merchandise and put them on chain. That is how you get tokenized assets, guys. We are creating a digital representation of physical assets. Okay? If we already have banks that want stable coins simply, right, as a storage use case, okay, not to tokenize anything, simply to be able to move and transact money, okay, or maybe to just pay out employees. But now when you have to mention digitizing every single commodity in the world, can you imagine? That is when we get to quadrillions. 100 billion market cap is nothing for Ripple, because guess what? We have quadrillions on top of quadrillions that is exchanged, right, on a global scale on a yearly basis. That is why we need more than one chain. But the sauce here is to understand that, unfortunately, USDC is being acquired for a reason, okay? USDC is tokenizing US treasuries. USDC does have a 1-to-1 ratio and is backed by the United States dollar, right? But it's not an algorithmic stablecoin, okay? So understand, can it maintain its supply without collateralization? That's debatable, right? We don't know if they have that capability yet. Let's talk about USDT. Well, we know that a lot of illicit activities went on. It's technically propped up by Bitcoin, so we can say it's backed by a crypto, technically, right? It is an algorithmic coin. It does have the 1-to-1 ratio, but unfortunately, being a purely algorithmic stablecoin, okay, is the reason why Tether will collapse. It will be the fall, okay, of Tether, and it is why it has had its issues up until this point. Tether can't make it because it is simply a pure algorithmic stablecoin, okay? Just understand, we have already talked about tokenizing and backing stablecoins by all these other things that I just showed you. But those three things, right, for USDC and USDT are reasons that they cannot reach or exceed the expectations of the GOV. But guess who has? RLUSD, guys. RLUSD right now is tokenizing US treasuries. RLUSD is a 1-to-1 ratio to the United States dollar, okay? RLUSD right now is tokenizing commodities like diamonds, silver, gold, lithium, granite, okay? RLUSD is an algorithmic stablecoin. Yes, guys, that's confirmed. But what is the best technology that is backing this stablecoin? XRP. XRP, those 5 things together, guys, exceed any other stablecoin that you can mention, okay? So I just wanted to come here and break it down for you all so you can understand what is the big deal of why we mentioning so much stablecoin talk instead of just cryptocurrencies, okay? It's because stablecoins will be moving majority of the value on chain, okay? Cryptocurrencies are used a lot of times as gas tokens, gas fees, governance tokens, okay, different securitized tokens, right, security tokens. But stable coins are literally used for stability, okay, and security. So thank you all so much, all right? Peace and love.